Okay, so we are now sitting at support. You can see we've bounced off it, and potentially we could trade back up to that 140, and then we'll see how it behaves and what happens from there. So that's potentially where it could now.
Before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything shared in this video is based on personal opinion, research, and experience. So please do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Investing involves risk, and you could lose money. By watching this video, you agree that you are responsible for your own financial choices. With that said, let's get into the video.
Welcome back to Bull and Bear Hunter. Today we are going to have a look at the copper chart. We're going to have a look at where it's been, where it's going, and what opportunities we can see on the chart. Okay, so we are looking at the monthly view. So over the month we are currently down on copper. However, we are trading within our channel. So you've got bottom, top, you've got the midsection, touch the bottom, and we've touched the top. So we are trading in this upper range of the parallel channel. So let's go into the daily and have a look at a little bit closer view of the chart, and let's see what we can find. So as we can see, we've got some trend lines that we've drawn in, and we've got a smaller parallel channel that we've been keeping an eye on. As you can see here, this channel has broken to the lower part. However, it's hit a trend line which is now forming a support. Might just need to adjust it just a little bit right there. Okay, so we are now sitting at support. You can see we've bounced off it, and potentially we could trade back up to that 140, and then we'll see how it behaves and what happens from there. So that's potentially where it could now be heading. So let's just adjust this parallel channel. Okay, all right, so let's go into the 1 hour. Okay, so as you can see, parallel channel, we've broken below it. We tried to go back in, failed, tried, we didn't hold it, and now we are at the lower part of the parallel channel, but we have come out of this parallel channel. So this is that support line. You can see it's bouncing off a few times. Can it consolidate and hold this area? We'll have to see what happens, but 134 seems to be an area of support. If it can hold, we can see it going all the way back up to about 138 before the next major resistance sets in. If you can get to the 138, consolidate around this 138 area, then we've got a chance of getting a little bit higher, back into the 140. Okay, so let's have a look at the 10 minutes. Okay, so on the 10 minutes, exactly the same. We've got this area of consolidation. We seem to be bouncing off it quite a few times. So since Wednesday, we've come off it, Thursday, today. So yeah, let's keep an eye on it. We've got a target area of the 138. So let's see if you can make it to that 138, and then we'll take it from there. So let's just quickly go back to the daily. Okay, so long term, we are still at the upper side of the parallel channel, and it seems to be consolidating, potentially forming what I would call a bull flag. So up, and then you're trading sideways, ready for the next move higher. Okay, that will conclude the chart for copper for today. If you like what you are watching, if you can like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification so you can see our next video as soon as it comes out. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.